Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today I'm so excited because we are going to showcase a VIP lounge papers giveaway. Once a month, the giveaways are my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continuous love and support. And every month I decided to give away this current month VIP lounge papers. Before we crack on with the giveaway, let me show you what you could win this month. Guys, these are the VIP lounge papers for the month of May. The inspiration is the circus. This is why it's called Circus Mania. Love it. It's a very large kit. It's got 19 pages. So this is the biggest ever VIP lounge kit that I have designed so far, and I promise to my VIP members that the kits are getting bigger and bigger and bigger because, you know, it's great to get good value for money. Let me go through every page and I'll be as quick as I possibly can. So there's a lot of background, so and the color palette is exactly the same. So this kit has been designed to mix and match. As you can see, all the papers match, so you can do complete project, journal, cards, gift boxes. You can create a lot of things using this because, as I said, everything match. So yeah, you've got lots of background. So you've got every artist from the circus. I love that. This is one of my favorite page. The color combination is the red and the turquoise. I think it really work. It really does, because as a color combination is all blend. You've got another page with two circus curtains, because I thought you can do pop-up cards, square, but you can cut them and fold them as you wish. Another background with a little dancer, and then you got the circus, the carousel, and loads of flowers, etc. I love this kit. This is probably one of my favorite kit that I have ever designed. You got the little clown there with the flowers. This is another favorite of mine because, again, I think blue and red, that sort of turquoise teal, kind of like a Tiffany color, works really well with the deep red and pinks. It's like a little horse from the carousel. And I think the stripe as well, the stripes and the floral as a combination works as a strong contrast. And got a collage here. Love it. You got the Cannon Man. There you go. Fun. Is this a handsome horse rider? Then you got the carousel and the flowers there. Oh, I can't wait to see what my VIP members will make using those papers. And of course, guys, you can join anytime. So you join this month and you get these papers. Oh, this is my favorite. This is the page with the collage and a lot of ephemeras that I pulled together. This is the fire eater. Very vintagey, very shabby inspired as well. Then I wanted to give you guys a geometric background that you can use as a layering element. So again, this is great for like card making or journal pages, or you can make envelopes or tags. So just some blank image that you can create what you want. The beauty of these guys, or these papers, they can be used as they are, or you can fussy cut the little embellishment one by one. So they're very versatile. That's the beauty of the digital papers. This one here is a mill carton box. Okay, so you've got the four sides and the base. So when you do it up, it looks like this. So you've got your four squares, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which are those four. You've got the two bases, and then you've got the two triangles, which are basically those. Okay, so this triangle here is this one. So when you pinch fold, it stays like this, and this band on top, it will be the closure. So you can glue it, or you can put a peg. I like put a little peg, so the person that received the gift box can reuse it and pass it on, or just put something else inside rather than destroy it. Of course, you need to print on cardstock, very thick one. Okay, so this is purely paper. Then you get a page with some tabs, another geometric background, but now I enhance the flowers. Okay, so this can be, again, an entirety, or you can chop it, you can make tags, you can do anything that you want. I gave you a few envelopes. So there's a scallop envelope and 2 regular size, no more traditional rectangular envelope. So that's the 2 size, that's the bottom, and that's the top that fold over. And then last but not least, I actually gave you 2 pillow boxes as well. So my kit, my VIP kit, they're very large, it contains everything: background, tags, gift boxes, envelopes, everything. I mean, if you do like sweets, or you can use them as a popcorns if you do like a movie night, I think they're great. Also, every month we get the VIP Lounge get a gift box letter. This month is the letter M. We're doing literally halfway the alphabet. So the letter M is this one here. So you get, of course, on a piece of paper, you need to print on thicker cardstock. So you get an assembly instruction, and also you get a private video filmed by me that I share step by step how to put this together. And yeah, let me show you what the gift box looks like when it's all done up. Okay, so this is what the letter M looks like when it's done up. So that's the front, or that's the back, or you decide what's the front and what's the back, and then you go all the sides. Very, very easy and fun to make. Let me show you all the alphabet that we made so far. So I've got them here on my side. So we've got A, B, C, D, E, love that, F, J, and every month is different. As you can see, you've got different styles. G, H, love that, I, then we get J, K, more than anything, J, K, if I can speak, and letter L, which was last month, and then this month is letter M. So yeah, halfway through the alphabet. If you guys just discover my VIP Lounge, if you want all the paper, all the rest of the gift boxes, so all the alphabet, let me know in the email, and I'm sure we can work things around. But yeah, that's this month. Let's see what I can spell. I'm just gonna spell one word. I'm gonna spell fame, and E. What's the E? Fame. But you can write your names. Can I write my name? Not yet, because I haven't got the rest of my letter. But yeah, it's very, very fun. Sorry, I can play with this forever. And then last but not least, this month you got a bonus page with these beautiful steampunk creatures. I love designing those. They're very sassy. They're very cute. I think I'm going to make some embellishment with this. I think I'm going to do a video next week because I say so. Okay. Okay, so now you saw all my beautiful VIP Lounge digital papers and gift box. Now, how can you win those papers? I give 3 of you the opportunity to win these papers simply by commenting. Leave a comment down below telling me and give me some ideas of what you would make using these papers. You can leave as many comments as you want, and I will pick the winners randomly in a few weeks. Okay, good luck everyone, and thank you so much once again for everything that you guys do for me. So this is my little way to give something back to the community. Have a wonderful day, guys, and see you very soon.